Rondout Lighthouse, Kingston, New York. There are places that seem to hold time differently. The Rondout is one of them. Water still moves through the same passage where generations of sailors once entered Kingston carrying coal, cargo, and the ordinary business of another century. The harbor has changed, the ships are gone, but the shoreline remains, and the lighthouse still stands at the edge of the water, keeping watch over a landscape shaped by everything that came before. Out on the Rondout, everything slows down. The water was almost perfectly still, and aboard the Solaris, there was little more than a sound of water moving beneath us. Powered by the sun, the boat moves quietly and slowly, enough to make you notice things you might otherwise miss. A bird along the shoreline, a boat passing in the distance, the changing light on the water. Tickets for the Solaris cruises are available through the Hudson River Maritime Museum. So go to their website and check out all the different cruises that they have available, and you can book your boat tour there. I suggest you make sure you go inside the museum. There's some incredible displays in there with really great information and some very interesting things that you might want to explore. And of course, I always tell you about where I stay. I found this really nice hotel. I thoroughly enjoyed it here. Very large rooms, very comfortable, very clean. Everything about it, I was just really at home here. I went into the gym in the morning, of course, not to work out, but to take pictures to show you. And right outside the gym, there's a pool and a game room. I even played a game of pinball. Update, pinball's no longer a quarter. And they had lots of outlets for me to charge all my gear. And if you need more ideas of where to go, stop here at the Great Northern Catskills Greene County Visitor Center. They gave me abundance of information, and they gave me so much. Now I have to go back. Of course, go back. More photography, but what else is new? They're really good here. They're located in Leeds, New York. Just look for their new SUV parked outside. Isn't it cool? I love it. I went to several other lighthouses all around this area, so stay tuned for more. And then we're going to continue to do lighthouses straight through to the fall until I can't do any more, because it'll be too cold. Not that I can't do any more, I just don't like the cold. I'll have a few more places around Kingston, New York, like this Senate House Museum. Videos coming up, articles coming up. Go to Photography Magazine Extra, read all about it.